Took a dub today, took a winning trade, a quick scalp at about 9:45. We were in and out, quick work. It's such a nice feeling to be done before 10 a.m. So why did I take the trade? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it, man. So we had equal highs up here. This is Asia session, so equal highs up here. We had let me just go into replay mode before market open. Bang, there we go. So we had equal highs up there. Great draw on liquidity. We had equal highs right here. Not the cleanest equal highs, but they are equal. And we had a set of equal lows down here. So as you can see, equal lows, equal low. So going into the market, I am not going to take a trade until these equal lows get swept or until these equal highs get swept, just because these are both great liquidity pools and you never know which one's going to hit first. So it's very important to sit on your hands until one of these liquidity pools gets swept, so then you can start waiting for your reversal. And preferably what I was looking for was these equal lows to get swept. I wanted to see a Judas swing in the morning. I wanted to see price take a little bit of a poop and reverse, and that's exactly what happened here. So going into the day, let's hop on the 1 minute. Going into the day, again, we're stuck between these two liquidity pools, equal highs, equal lows. We get market open here. We put in a beautiful 1 minute fair value gap. And again, this could sort of be considered the Judas swing for the morning. So the Judas swing is sort of like a fake out one way before the market goes back up. So we get the Judas swing, we sweep these equal lows, and now we can start looking for our longs because we swept this liquidity here. So that's exactly what we do. We come back into this fair value gap, we tap it, and we respect it to the downside, which is a great sign because if we're respecting this fair value gap to the downside, we will most likely also respect it to the upside once it gets inversed. So at this point, we're waiting, sitting on our hands, being patient, and then bang. We inverse this fair value gap. We get a very nice close as it's pretty close to the inverse, which increases our risk to reward. Not only that, but we also put in a breaker block right here. So we close above this breaker, we close above this inverse fair value gap. We have these equal highs up here. We have these equal highs during Asia session, equal highs right there. So two great liquidity pools, two great targets, and this is when we decide to enter long. So we entered one contract long here. Boom, get a boner of a green candle, and I took everything off once we took this internal high. So that was the trade. We held it for 1 minute, and we were done for the day. And the reasoning behind getting out at the internal high is simply because price action has been absolute butt cheeks recently. It is December. December is notorious for being a choppy month. Yesterday was a choppy day. A lot of inverse fair value gaps didn't really work. We did not trade yesterday. It was a Monday. So I'm not trying to get too cute with it, man. I'm not trying to get too cute. Where is my measurement tool? Here it is. This trade was about 26 points. That's a decent sized trade for me, man. Last week was a bit of a rough week. We were down about $1,000, down about 2%. We sort of blew up a little bit. So I'm not trying to get too cute. I'm okay to lock in 26 points profit for the day. And in the back of my head, I know that December is, again, notorious for having choppy price action, just absolute poo price action. And the reason for that is people are busy, man. People are on vacation. People are shopping. People are visiting family. So I'm really not trying to get that cute with it. I'm okay with 26 points profit. Made about 510 on this trade. And that was it. We were done for the day. In hindsight, maybe I should have tried to hold for these equal highs. They are a very powerful liquidity pool. But as you can see, we immediately start to reverse and take a shite to the downside there. And that is just December price action for you. Normally, 9 out of 10 times these equal highs would hit. But again, choppy price action, sloppy month. So we're just gonna lock in the profits and keep it rolling. What else? Do I have anything else to talk about? Not really. I think that was basically it. One and done on the day. But as you can see, if we take a look on the 5-minute here, price just basically continues to chop. We just continue to chop. We eventually do sweep those equal highs, as you can see, but we don't really get any clean price action. We're sort of stuck in this little range here and just chopping around, man. So yeah, that's why you got to be careful in December, especially once it starts getting closer to Christmas time, because you don't want to get chewed up in shit like this. So yeah, that was the day summed up. I think I might hop off the computer starting next week, just because I don't want to get too cute come Christmas time. I know a lot of people get chewed up the closer we get to Christmas, so I think this week might be my last trading week, and then I might sit on my ass till January and see what January brings. January is usually a fairly clean month, but we'll see what happens, man. You never know. So that was today summed up. Nice little trade on the day, and hopefully we can capitalize and, I don't know, catch some more winners, man. Catch some more winners later on in the week and pump out some more videos for you guys. But that was Tuesday summed up for you.